My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that comes from the website Superior PC Protection or superiorprotectionpc.com. Superiorprotectionpc.com is a deceptive website which may attack your browser. It tries to trick you into clicking on this special allow button in order to make you see the great portion of pop-ups in the form of multiple web push notifications. Also, this website, superiorprotectionpc.com, tries to mislead you and make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. So don't interact with these multiple and deceptive pop-ups. The only correct solution is to leave this page and to disregard its misleading content. If you have clicked on allow button by mistake, this is what you should definitely do. Access the menu, go to settings, select privacy and security, then site settings, then in permissions choose notifications, and research the sites allowed to send notifications. So when you find this superiorprotectionpc.com, you need to remove it from the list. I also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.